MagicLab is shaking up the robotics world in a way that is hard to ignore. Since its official launch in December 2023, this young Chinese robotics startup has been making waves with its humanoid robot known as MagicBot. What started as an intriguing concept quickly turned into a reality, as MagicLab demonstrated that its robots are not just prototypes, but actually ready for real industrial work. In late 2024, the company released footage showing multiple MagicBots working together in an actual factory setting. The robots were not just moving boxes around, they were doing a wide range of tasks, including material handling, inspection, barcode scanning, sorting, and warehouse coordination. What stood out the most was how the robots communicated and collaborated as a team. For example, one robot would pick up a part and pass it to another, who would continue the task without hesitation. This type of synchronized movement is a huge leap forward and gives us a clear picture of where automation in manufacturing is headed. These robots are not just for show either. Each MagicBot has 42 degrees of freedom, which gives it a wide range of motion similar to the human body. Each arm can lift up to 44 pounds, giving the robot a combined lifting capacity of 88 pounds. That means these machines can handle real tasks in real environments. Even more impressive, they are built with lightweight but durable materials, allowing them to operate for up to 5 hours at a time on a single charge. That balance between strength, endurance, and energy efficiency is a big reason why factories are taking notice. But MagicLab is not stopping there. Just this month, in March 2025, the company showcased another impressive milestone: MagicBot running outdoors continuously for 4 minutes. This kind of mobility is rare for humanoid robots, which are often confined to indoor lab spaces. Running outdoors requires a high level of stability, balance, and environmental awareness, all of which MagicBot seems to be mastering quickly. This signals MagicLab's broader ambitions, not just in controlled factory environments, but also in dynamic public and commercial spaces. Looking ahead, MagicLab is gearing up to launch the next generation of its MagicBot robots within the first quarter of 2025. The company is aiming to mass produce these units and start delivering them in the hundreds by the end of the year. If their momentum continues, they plan to scale up production to thousands by 2026. That is a massive jump, but judging by what they have already accomplished, it seems well within reach. MagicLab's progress in just over a year is proof that the future of robotics is not just theoretical, it is happening right now. These robots are being built to work, to collaborate, and to adapt. And if the MagicBots continue evolving at this pace, they might soon be a common sight on factory floors and even in everyday settings. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss updates on cutting-edge tech like this.